Okay, so I should give an example of a neat thing. Now, I might actually just do it in a Ziploc bag so you can use that bag for water procurement in case you need it. But yeah, here's an example of what I would put into a kit, like a first aid kit. That almost fell. Now, by the way, this is going into the homeless bag. Yep, super good. Yeah, I can use this. Let me get all this out and just. It's depending on your needs, to be honest. So yeah. So first, if it was me, I would have some chapstick because you're not always gonna have um like back to tracing or whatever, and this is 100% petroleum skin protectant, right? I would put in, if I was doing this for me, you know, Tylenol, uh, ibuprofen, aspirin, right? That's something I would put in there, personally. Then I would put in some, like, spot bandages, because they're nicest to have. Another thing I'll put in is butterfly bandages, right? Yeah, and I got more than these for spot bandages. Where the heck they went? I have more than that. Where'd they go? Right? And I would put in a decent amount. What are these? Oh, this thing already did have spot bandages. Oh, cool. Um, Another thing I'll put in here is alcohol prep pads. This is definitely according to your needs for a kit, for a kit. And I put 4 of them, no, 6 in here. Just to give a decent amount, and I guess the constraint of stuff. I kept the bandages in here. The spot bandages. The small bandages. The ones that are basically useless, in my personal opinion. The smaller. Let me get it. These are shear bandages. These type of shear bandages, the ones you can put in your knuckle on. Yeah. Now you gotta realize this is according to my needs, personally. And then like these, right? These are according to my personal needs, right? Also my personal needs, tweezers, right? So I went ahead and just put in, my tweezers thing, Then a non-stick pad, which I should actually do some gauze pads too in here. And then one huge flipping foot bandage, right? These are my personal needs. This is the business model I want to do, is what are your needs, What I should actually do, too. Do I have any more? Oh, where my gauze pads at? I have gauze pads, too. I know this for a fact. I'm gonna, what? Let me put in a couple more of these. Something tell me to put a couple more of these in. So, yeah. These are the Rexall, by the way. I kit bashed this to my needs. So I have what are my needs? What do I want? What do I need? Right? This right here for the thing. Now, well, okay. You're just going to be upside down. Sorry, it's my OCD. It's my OCD, and ooh. Oh, I have a new panic trigger. That's fun. That's fun, quote unquote. Yeah. I just wanted to give an example of what I would do. What type of kit would I make if it was me? I did super glue because here's the thing. I'm not always going to be able to get to a hospital to close a wound. By the way, this will burn like the dickens. Okay? And I call Paige. Yeah. She loves me, yeah. She loves me, yeah. And let's take out. No, it's perfect like this for me. This is personally for me, so Now I'm on budesonide, which is the nasal one. This is the only thing that I can take. That's why my needs, right? So I do the custom kits according to your needs because that's what you would need for your needs. Like, hey, I need blah blah blah, right? So yeah, there is according to your needs. According to your needs, according to your wants. Yeah. So that's just a sample of what this is. So, yeah. Honestly. Also, I didn't realize this. It says it's 50 ounces. Cool, that's 50 ounces. You can't see that, right? So that's miles going in the homeless bag. This is my homeless bag first aid kit, by the way. So yeah, that's just now. I just want to give. I thought I should give a sample of what according to your needs on this. So, yeah. Anyway, I should leave my meta pages or whatever the crap it's called, so y'all can contact me for business queries, inquiry. I remember. I can't ever pronounce the name or the word for it. But yeah, I am a Christian-run business. Yep. So not small, but hey, right? I feel like a bag would be perfect for this until I can get me like Altoid 10s and all that. Right now I'm just setting up. So yeah. Yeah. I can easily go on like Amazon and whatever and get like supplies. I can go to a medical supply store to get some stuff too. So yeah. If y'all like what y'all see for this, hurry up. Yeah. This is according to needs. Actually, according to my needs, I'll put like 5 gauze pads in there. That's just personally me. I'll put another huge one. So yeah, I can pretty much get the supplies and start building. Anyway, it's been Postbox Survival, Happy Survival's Wasteland, and giving you an example of what I can do. Anyway, if y'all want, y'all can review this. If y'all want, I'll give y'all the list. Anyway, God bless, and peace. Have a good day. Or more. Hey, I have no idea what time it is. Anyway.